Welcome to biology class. In this video we will discuss about reproduction in bacteria. Binary fission is a type of reproduction seen in bacteria. It takes place during favorable conditions. What is called as favorable condition? Availability of nutrients and suitable conditions in the surrounding is favorable condition. This is a single bacterial cell. It splits into two daughter cells. So this type of divisions are called as binary fissions. In binary fission, first the nucleoid of the bacterial cell divides into two. What is nucleoid? A DNA area which is not surrounded by nuclear membrane is called as nucleoid. The nucleoid divides into two, that is followed by the constriction. A constriction moves towards the center. The constriction divides the cell into two. That is followed by the separation of daughter bacterial cell. Endospore formation takes place during unfavorable condition. Endospores are resting spores. Inside the endospore, the bacterial cell remains inactive. So endospores are resting spores. Endospore formation takes place during unfavorable condition. Under unfavorable condition, a thick wall is formed around the bacterial cell. Inside the thick wall, the bacterial cell remains inactive. It takes place during unfavorable condition. Under favorable condition, the endospore germinate and form bacteria. Here what is unfavorable condition? Lack of nutrients, presence of harmful chemicals, high temperature, etc. are unfavorable condition. Under unfavorable condition, endospores are formed. A thick-walled endospore is formed, inside which the bacterial cell remains inactive. During favorable condition, they germinate and form bacteria. Sexual reproduction in bacteria involves absence of fusion of gametes. Fusion of male and female gamete does not take place in the sexual reproduction in bacteria. So sexual reproduction involves gene transfer. In bacteria, sexual reproduction involves gene transfer. The gene transfer results in recombination of genes. New combination of genes occur inside the bacteria due to gene transfer. These recombinations can occur in bacteria by three different methods. They are conjugation, transformation and transduction. Conjugation, transformation and transduction are the three types of recombination found in bacteria. Conjugation is a kind of gene transfer. It was first reported by Lederberg and Edward L. Tatum in E. coli. Conjugation was demonstrated in E. coli by Lederberg and Edward. It is a method of gene transfer that causes recombination. It involves donor cell and recipient cell. Conjugation takes place between two bacterial cells. One is donor cell, another one is recipient cell. The donor cell has a plasmid which is absent in recipient cell. The donor cell is F plus cell because it has fertility gene in the plasmid. F plus cell has fertility gene in the plasmid which is absent in recipient cell called as F minus cell. Donor cell has plasmid, The plasmid DNA of donor cell is transferred into the recipient cell through conjugation tube. Through conjugation tube, donor DNA of plasmid is transferred into recipient cell. It involves donor cell and recipient cell. The two cells come closer. We have already learned in the structure of bacteria, the bacterial cell has outgrowths. The long outgrowths are flagella, they are locomotor organs. The short outgrowths are pili. The bacterial cells are connected together by pili. Pili are the organs of attachment in bacterial cells. After the attachment, a conjugation tube is formed between two bacterial cells. Through the conjugation tube, the plasmid DNA of F plus cell is transferred into F minus cell. The plasmid DNA of F plus cell is transferred into F minus cell through the conjugation tube. A plasmid has two strands of DNA. Plasmid is a ring-like structure containing double-stranded DNA. One of the strands is transferred through conjugation tube into the recipient cell. The new strand is synthesized afterwards. Here the bacterial cells have new strand also. Both the cells have double-stranded DNA in the plasmid. One of the DNA strand is transferred, that is followed by the synthesis of new strands. After the transfer of DNA from one bacterial cell to another bacterial cell, the F minus bacterial cell becomes F plus. The characteristic feature of the recipient cell is changed. So this is conjugation. It involves transfer of gene from donor cell to recipient cell through conjugation tube. Transformation is a kind of gene transfer in bacterial cell that causes recombination. Here there is transfer of DNA from one bacterium to another bacterium. Transfer of DNA from dead bacterial cell to living bacterial cell takes place during transformation. It was experimentally proved by Frederick Griffith. Transformation experiment was conducted by Frederick Griffith. He conducted experiment on mice using the bacterium Diplococcus pneumoniae. The bacterium used in the experiment was Diplococcus pneumoniae. He conducted experiment on mice. Diplococcus pneumoniae is a bacterium that has two strains. Strains are bacterial types. One is S type, another one is R type. S type is smooth type. It forms smooth colonies. The bacterial cells form smooth colonies. They produce smooth polysaccharide on the surface. R type is rough type. They form rough colonies. And the S type is virulent. That is a disease causing type. It is a harmful type. And the R type is avirulent. Here we see R strain, next S strain, third heat killed S strain. The S strain was killed by heat. Last R strain and heat killed S strain. There is mixing of R strain and heat killed S strain. Let us see the experiment. The R strain bacterial cells were injected into the mouse. The mouse survived because R strain is avirulent. When the S strain cells were injected into the mouse died. When S strain cells were injected into the mouse died because S strain is virulent strain. When the heat killed S strain was injected into the mouse, the mouse survived because the S strain was killed. It didn't multiply inside the mouse. When the mixing of R and heat killed S strain was injected into the mouse died because the DNA of the dead S strain entered into the R that changed the character of R. The heat killed S type has DNA. The dead bacterial DNA entered into the R strain and changed the R strain into S. Now the cell is transformed cell. This is bacterial transformation. The transfer of DNA from dead bacterium into the living cell transforms the character of a bacterial cell. Because of this transformation, the mouse died when the mixing of heat killed S and R cells were injected. This is bacterial transformation experiment conducted by Griffith. The phenomenon of changing the character of one strain by transferring the DNA of another strain into it is called transformation. Transduction is a kind of gene transfer. Zinder and Lederberg discovered transduction in Salmonella typhimurium. In transduction, gene transfer is done by viruses. Gene transfer takes place through bacteriophages. It is a phage-mediated DNA transfer. Transduction is a phage-mediated DNA transfer. There are two kinds of transduction: generalized transduction. In generalized transduction, the bacteriophages carry any part of the DNA of bacterium. Bacteriophages carry any part of the DNA of one bacterium to another bacterium. In specialized or restricted transduction, the bacteriophages carry a specific DNA of one bacterial cell into another bacterial cell. We have already discussed about life cycle of viruses. In the first stage is adsorption. Adsorption is the first stage of life cycle of viruses. The viral particles are attached on the surface of bacterial cells. That is followed by injection of viral DNA into the bacterial cell. Here the viral DNA is injected. That is green in color. The viral DNA controls the activity of bacterial cell and breaks the bacterial DNA into many pieces. Viral DNA multiplies. Already many copies of bacterial DNA are there. Viral DNA multiplies and multiple copies of viral DNA are inside the bacterial cell. In the next stage, the DNA pieces are packed inside the head of phage. While packing the DNA inside the head of phage, some of the phage heads are packed with bacterial DNA, which is red in color. Bacterial DNA is packed inside the phage in some cases. In the last stage, there is lysis of bacterial cell. The bacterial cell breaks. The phages come out. Some of the phages carry the bacterial gene. The phages carrying the bacterial gene infect new bacterial cells and inject the DNA. Now the DNA is bacterial DNA. The bacterial DNA is incorporated into another bacterial DNA. So here the phage carries DNA of one bacterium and incorporates into another bacterium. This is called as transduction. In this video we learned the three types of gene transfer in bacterial cell that causes recombination and asexual reproduction in bacteria.